I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in week 35 of the crossword collage hosted by Barbie of Nellie and Ruth Designs. And the hashtag to that is hashtag 2023 CW Collage. Be sure and check out Barbie's channel and be sure and check out that hashtag to see what everyone else has made. So this collage, we don't, only thing we have to do is have a crossword. And so I was printing out some things and I ended up forgetting to make this smaller, so couldn't throw him away. He's too pretty. So I decided to use him in this collage. So I am going to go ahead and put him down. See, this is what size they're supposed to be, and I had to keep flipping the paper, and then I forgot to make it smaller. Okay. And these are Christie's Printables on Facebook. Get this down. I'll kind of scoot it to the side just a little bit. And I inked this and I inked this, but I haven't inked anything else. But I just got, mine was Timeless Beauty, and then I just added hero, honor, dream, gaze, style, love, all those good things. Let me get my glue book. I hope everybody's doing great. I'm doing pretty good. Our weather's turned a little colder. We were like in the, supposed to be, well, we were in the 70s day before yesterday. And I'm filming this on Saturday. And, which hopefully I'll have it up on Saturday. But anyway, we, go from the 70s, and now the highs I think today are supposed to be in the 40s. You just never know what you're going to get here in Mississippi. Or you can count on it not being the same, that's for sure. So yeah, I usually like to do that. I think these came from Tina's Shabby Dabby Doodah. These little butterfly stamp. I guess they're stamps, I don't know. Anyway. And I've got just some die cuts here. I believe they're Paper Studio from Hobby Lobby, if I'm not mistaken. Oops. This one's gonna be an easy one. Let's see, may do something like that. Maybe that. I think I like that. So let's get some of this stuff down. Not a whole lot going on here. We haven't been able to do a whole lot. We are trying to, the first of the year is always hard for us. You come in after Christmas, and then property taxes, and then income taxes, and we had car issues, so we really have not been doing a whole lot because we can't. But this too shall pass. Okay. I like this. This is really going to go fast. I've enjoyed this challenge, and I love Barbie. She is so funny. She teaches you a lot, and she has a new Patreon, and I hope to be able to join that once we get our finances in order. So be sure and check out her channel. Okay, let me get this going. Have to do my splatters. Wouldn't be me. Let me go ahead and cover his face though. There we go. And I think I'm going to do just a little bit of black too. It just seems to set it off. Not a whole lot. All right. This was definitely a quick one. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Be sure and check out Barbie's channel. Be sure and check out the hashtag 2023 CW Collage. Y'all have a great and wonderful day, and until next time, bye y'all.